Speedy. Speedy's dope, man.
Speedy, baby.
About to let him hear something, little freestyle. Young Flood, I really mean it, I'm in the game and I'm fiending for Bentleys, Benzes and Beamers. All the ladies wanna meet us, all the haters wanna be us, but they can't even see us cause we on another continent. The studio we locking in, monitors we popping them, haters double glocking them, Jews I don't be rocking them, safe deposit boxing them, rapping I'm surprising them. You gotta understand the OG screwed me to the game cause I'm a man and not a lane. I'm trying to be successful like Weezy, Drizzy and Trey, and I'm so glad Chink believed in me so now I can display my God-given gift and all the tracks that I'ma lay. The music business is a game I definitely like to play. I can't let you down, you could've been anywhere. Instead you was out here marble with me showing that you care. And that's kinda crazy cause you a millionaire. Your actions got me looking at these niggas like they famous.
It's unbelievable. I'm almost famous.